What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Clarion, aka Clay, also known as Clay's Customs. Follow me if you don't already follow me. Shame on you if you do not already follow me, because you should be following me, because I'm giving you all the knowledge, all the tips, all the tools. So follow me, because there's no reason for you not. And I'm always dropping cool customs, all type of stuff. I'm dropping tips, cool customs, shoes, all that stuff. Follow me. But anyway, back to what I was saying. If you click that thumbnail today, that means you want to learn how to achieve this look right here. The slime, the drip, the whatever y'all want to call it. I done heard people call it the Nickelodeon, the slime, the magic slime, the drip, the whatever you want to call it. So yeah, you click that thumbnail today, I'm gonna be showing you how to do this right here. How we gonna achieve this look. So today in this video, I'm gonna give you guys all the tools you're gonna need, all the supplies you're gonna need. I might even tell y'all where you can get them from, and we're gonna do something a little bit different, you know, with the ones today. But yeah, because I already made these, so I can show you guys how to make these. But I'm gonna show you how to put this on the shoe, okay? And as you can see, these have been worn. I wear mine all the time. So this custom is very sturdy. You know, it's very durable. This ain't going nowhere, you know. It's not going nowhere. As you can see, I've been squeezing it. I've been wearing them, obviously. And this custom is very sturdy. You know, and this color is very vibrant, it's loud, and you know, like, why would you not want to know how to do this, you know? So I just gotta show you how to get your drip, how to get your shine, like how to get this. So if you want to know how to do this, you're in the right place. I got y'all. So enough of that talking. Let's get into it. back. I done let the shoes dry. It's been a whole 24 hours. As y'all saw, you know, I put the yellow on the shoe, the orange, the glitter paint. I did the pink paint with the lemonade pieces. All that is dry on the shoe. So now I'm gonna show you guys the final product. Here we go. So here we go. So we got, this is the yellow that we did with the little swirl that I did with the toothpick. So you guys can see that. Here's the orange. So this is the yellow orange half and half mix slime shoe. And then we did the pink one with the glitter. As you can see, they got the little glitter speckles in there. Speckles. Whatever you want to say. But anyway, the pink with the glitter. Then here's the pink with the lemon pieces. Yes, I think if I had to like get us a name, I'd probably call this like pink unicorn. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. And then this one, definitely pink lemonade. And the lemonade pieces actually came out kind of nice, like the lemonade pieces. Lemon pieces, they actually came out pretty good. Like, and they actually on there pretty good. Like, they stuck on there, like, you know, like they not going nowhere. They in there. But yeah, though, as you can see, you know, I got the pink lemons, and then I got the regular lemons, and I mean, came out pretty nice. Like, y'all know, like, I know y'all done seen the slime, but y'all ain't seen it the clay way. You know what I'm saying? So I had to show y'all how to do it. Yeah, we good. Like, this ain't going nowhere. It's sturdy. So, guys, as you can see at the bottom, there's like some little pieces like hanging off. For the people that want those pieces, you can keep that. Like, if you like that style, you can do that. I personally don't. So all you have to do is get like an X-Acto knife and just blade that off. It's gonna come right off. And yeah, it's good. But what y'all think? Like, if y'all had to name this side, what would y'all name it? What about this side? Pink, the glitter. I definitely say unicorn and pink lemonade. And I don't know, I think this one right here would be like Starburst swirl or something like that. And that came out pretty good though with the toothpick. I kind of like that. Maybe do like a Spider-Man theme or something. Like, it's kind of cool. I like that. But yeah, guys. So anybody that want to know how to do the magic slime, to do the drip, to add pieces to the magic slime or the drip, whatever y'all want to call this, here's the video for you. So this is for you. So anybody that want to know how I did this, how I put the slime on here, how I drip it, you know, how I put if you want to put glitter with it, if you want to put the food pieces with it, if you just want a loud, bright color, if you want the swirl, this video is for you. So if you know anybody that need to know how to do this or want to know how to do this, send this video to them. If y'all got any questions, DM me, message me, comment down below. And whatever else y'all want to see, y'all let me know. I got y'all. But here y'all go. This is for y'all. So I got it. All right, peace.